You're building an AI application. You're using RAG. There are two paths you can take. One is the easy path. The other path saves you $100,000 a month. Most teams choose the easy path first. Then they wonder why their burn rate is through the roof. We're talking about the difference here. It's between a $15,000 monthly OpenAI bill and a $1,500 bill, all for the exact same performance. Welcome to the future. Your compute bill looks like a mortgage. Some theoretical exercise. I've seen startups flush with seed money. They blow through their runway in months. This happens because they didn't understand the true cost of their LLM usage. One company, let's call them ChatBot Inc. They built a customer support RAG system. It was based on GPT 3.5. They hit 10 queries per second. Each response averaged 200 tokens. They woke up to a $15,000 invoice. A few months later, their QPS doubled, and so did the bill. They were staring down $30,000 a month. This was just for LLM inference. That's before embeddings, VectorDB, or any other infrastructure. It turns out, unlimited API calls actually have a price tag. The good news? The fix is simpler than you think. Naive approach. Your user sends a query. Your app converts it into a vector embedding via OpenAI's ADA. That hits a vector database. The relevant chunks get injected into a prompt and sent straight to OpenAI for generation. Simple, right? But here's where it all falls apart. Every token processed by OpenAI costs you money. ChatBot Inc. had 10 queries per second, 500 tokens of context, 200 tokens of output. Run the math. That's $14,900 a month, just for GPT 3.5. Dare to use GPT-4? $300,000. Same traffic. Real architecture has three cost levers. First, the embedding model. The naive approach uses OpenAI's text embedding ADE002. At 10 QPS, that's $1,400 a month just for embeddings. Switch to a self-hosted model like all Mini-LM L6v2 on a T4 GPU. Pennies an hour, 10 to 50 milliseconds locally. Embedding cost drops to near zero. Second, the vector database. Pinecone, Weaviate, PG Vector. They retrieve top K chunks in 5 to 20 milliseconds. A few hundred to a couple thousand a month, regardless of your LLM choice. Third, and biggest, the LLM inference layer. Path A, OpenAI API. Convenient, no GPUs, but $15,000 a month as we saw. Path B, self-host Llama or Mistral on an A100. One A100 rented on AWS runs $3 to $5 an hour. For ChatBot Inc.'s 10 QPS, that's $2,500 to $3,500 a month versus $15,000. Trade-off isn't just raw cost, it's operational complexity. Self-hosting sounds like a no-brainer. Move from $15,000 to $3,000 a month? Obviously, yes. But that $3,000 doesn't include the engineering time to set up VLM, build monitoring, implement auto-scaling, and hire ML ops talent. I've seen teams save $5,000 a month on API calls, only to spend $8,000 on a new ML ops engineer. Net, negative. The break-even is around $5,000 to $10,000 a month in OpenAI spend. Below that, stay on the API. Above it, do the math. What's the real cost? It's not just tokens or GPUs. It's unexpected bills at 3 a.m. It's vendor lock-in. It's not owning your own data. 3 takeaways. 1. Self-host your embeddings. Drop that $1,400 a month to near zero. 2. Optimize retrieval. Only send the smallest relevant context to the LLM. 3. Know your break-even. If your OpenAI bill is under $5,000 a month, stay on the API. Above it, the math changes fast. Scaling AI isn't just about throwing more money at the problem. If your bill is under $5,000, sleep well. Above it, do the math. The answer is usually obvious.